In Google, you can type a question and get the results you want. Using databases is different. Instead of putting full questions or phrases into the search bar, you need to use keywords. Think of keywords as 1 to 2 word summaries of the topics you're curious about. They get to the essence, you know? Let's say you have this question: is caffeine good or bad for me? One keyword would obviously be caffeine because it focuses on the main topic. Now, you'll usually need more than one keyword, so you gotta keep thinking. There are 2 types of keywords to avoid. The first are words like good or bad. These are valuations and are too general and subjective. So you'll need to dig a little deeper and ask yourself what you mean by good and bad. Are you talking about how caffeine can be helpful by increasing energy, or how it can be harmful because it can be addictive? Are you curious about how it helps with migraines, or how coffee drinkers have serious caffeine withdrawals? What keywords could you focus these ideas into? Here are some that we thought of: addiction, migraines, headaches, energy. The other keywords to avoid are words like effect or impact. Just like we did before, we'll need to think one step further. Take a guess at what you think an effect might be and make that your keyword. So instead of asking what are the effects of caffeine consumption, you'd ask something like, how does caffeine increase energy? And then you could get the keyword energy. Remember, you want to focus your keywords on concrete topics and not general terms like good, bad, or effect. Now, here's one last tip. This will help you tons in coming up with keywords to use. And it may even help you figure out exactly what you want to write about. You should consider your topic's scope. Whatever your topic, the scope would take into account things like time period, location, age, race, gender, etc. If you're researching about mental health, just using depression as a keyword will provide an overwhelming number of results. But using a combination of scope factors like age and location could give you these keywords: teens and Midwest. Now, adding these keywords to your search will give you focused results. We have another video to show you how to use keywords in databases by pairing them with Boolean operators. For now, maybe take a moment to just jot down some keywords you could use for your project.